Welcome to Positive Atheism English channel. Today, I am going to read out the article on morality, theism versus atheism, written by Sri Lavanam, the famous atheist and social activist. In the historical march of humanity from slave mind to free will, crossing all the hurdles, now atheism has asserted its rightful place. In the words of Gora, atheism has become the need of the hour and the hope of the future. It is for the atheists of today to take this march of atheism forward. Atheism has progressed through the stages of skeptical atheism, negative atheism, and social atheism, and now it is entering the stage of positive atheism. Skeptical atheism developed rational thinking and questioned everything before it was accepted. Negative atheism located the obstacles for the progress of atheism and opposed them. Social atheism promoted humanist values through social action programs. Now, positive atheism is asserting the role of the social personality of the individual in developing a healthy society, as well as the role of the corrective personality of the individual to correct the society when it goes wrong. From the beginning of the formation of the society, morality has been based on fear, a negative animal instinct in the human. Morality is a positive outcome of human social action. Thus, it cannot be achieved with a negative instinct. Hence, till now, through God and religion, morality could not assert itself in human relations. In the beginning, fear of God and hell were used to keep man moral. God is unverifiable and hell is located in the other world. But morality is to be practiced by us here and now. God is a superhuman and supernatural concept. Hence, it can neither be defined nor can be perceived. Morality can be defined, can be seen, and can be verified by us here and now. Thus, morality as the goal of life is concrete and verifiable. But the means to achieve morality are negative and unclear. Fear is a negative instinct. God and hell, which are to be feared, are unclear and unverifiable. At least, to add a positive aspect to encourage people to be moral, along with the instinct of fear, a hope to gain something if one is moral, the concept of heaven is added. The positive concept of heaven is also like hell, belongs to the other world beyond the present life. That means both fear of hell and hope of heaven operate only after death. Here and now, no one knows and no one has ever seen or experienced what happens after death. So, there is no guarantee that one would definitely get the punishment of hell or the reward of heaven. But immorality is certainly giving more riches and more authority here and now. Honest people with their belief in God, heaven, and hell followed that belief without any hesitation. Those who doubted and profited by their personally being immoral to see that others not to question their immorality institutionalized the concept of fate and the will of God for some people enjoying more riches, respect, and authority than others. This led to unequal relationships in humans. Slave mind was promoted among the people at large not to question anything that is attributed to God. Whoever tried to question was branded as an enemy of God and an atheist. Still, some brave people kept questioning the vested interests. Vested interests organized themselves and became the custodians of God and God-centered social institution that is religion. When they could not suppress the contemporary opposition, constant reinterpretation and revision of the concept of God and the role of religion became necessary. Thus, questioning became rebellion and revision became reforms. This process became the progress of atheism. Thus, atheism tried to make the instruments of morality understandable and verifiable. The first major victory of atheism was transforming the instrument of fear from unverifiable otherworld to verifiable felt punishment of the political and secular corrective action. Punishment by a king or a government is felt here and now, and the existence of a king or a government is verifiable. Though the march of atheism achieved this big success, still morality is based on the negative animal instinct of fear. To humanize morality, one has to base it on human qualities of mutual understanding and social interaction of individuals. This is yet to be achieved. For this, we have to replace fear with fraternal understanding of social action. Fraternal understanding of social action of humans is a positive action. To make fear function, violence is used. That is why more blood has been shed in the name of God and religion than in the fiercest political wars. Atheism wants to promote morality through love and understanding, which are the positive aspects of human action. Thus, in atheism, morality is positive and instruments to promote morality are also positive. That is why atheism is moving towards positive atheism, which is a philosophy and lifestyle for the post religious society. In order to assert atheism as a social action program, it is necessary for the atheists at the individual level to practice and show to everyone that whatever good is done in the name of God and religion can also be done without God and religion. In the process, atheists can avoid superstitious blind beliefs and violence, which are the negative results of fear. Fear complex among the people maintains the tyrannical attitude towards others. This has become the basis for various inequalities. So, to promote equality, it is necessary that we remove both fear and tyranny. Atheism promotes a way of life which refuses to fear the strong and to terrorize the weak. Thus, atheism creates a new individual and a new civilization. Now, it is high time that every atheist should explore this, experience this, and experiment this. This is the invitation of atheism. Let us be bold enough to accept it and progress together to achieve that. And we'll meet in the next episode with another article. Thank you.
For more videos, please subscribe to this channel Positive Atheism and activate the bell icon.